Hey, good morning, guys. We're ready here to go back to Grand Canyon. Look at this beautiful view here in Globe, Arizona. It's snowing right now, it's flooding, and look all these mountains up back there. There is a snow on that mountain right there. We can see a little bit of floody up there, but look at this nice view. It's beautiful. It's just awesome. And we are stayed here last night at the Best Western. So this is the hotel we stayed right behind. That's my bike. That's Emmanuel bike, which is right here. Pritam is getting ready. Morning, Pritam. He is getting dressed up, getting liner, putting all the liners on, and we are about to hit back on the road. And Emmanuel is coming out inside. I put all my liners, 4-season on. Hopefully we should be good. Little bit of flooding started happening. We'll make the call as we go, but for now we're just gonna hop back on the bike and hit the road. But we all ready. Talk to you all later. All right, guys, so we're beginning our day 4. It's flooding right now, but it's supposed to stop. So we are leaving the Best Western and on the road. Jai Mataji. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, we're gonna fill up the gas and hopefully we will be safe. So guys, we are still stuck here. It's snowing, and with looking at the weather, it shows all the snow right here. Look at that. And we are right in a center. We didn't expect that, but we're going this way. What's the future cast looking?
So it should pass quickly.
Okay, we can go.
In the afternoon it's not snowing.
Okay, we can leave then.
Yeah.
We go slow. Okay, YouTube, so we just left the Globe. We had a little rough start in the morning. Started snowing, air issues on a tire, but looks like the good thing is everybody's safe, and we're taking this highway 60 to highway 188. Look at this beautiful scenic view. It's snowing up there. It's up on the mountains up there, but look at that. It's beautiful. It's cold for us, but we're going along. Okay. Guys, look at that mountains that covered up with the snow. That's where we're going. No, I'm kidding. But that's the route we had planned, and we avoided because we didn't want it to go through the snowy mountains. So we're going this direction. Look at this nice view up here. It's beautiful. Look at this valley. It's beautiful. Look at all these mountains, guys, up there. This is Tonto National Forest. It's beautiful. We're gonna go through this about 60 miles through different scenic viewpoints.
I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all out of.
Okay, we're going through Tonto National Forest, guys, and we just noticed here. Look at looks like they had a fire here. What it says, the fire restrictions now in effect. Oh, it looks like it's just happened. Beautiful. Look at, guys, these are the mountains. We just came up top of the one of the mountains. It's beautiful in between. Wow, look at that. That is just beautiful.
Up, lost in an endless maze, the emptiness had afforded, just like a void. But you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt.
Look at this, guys. This is the lake. This is the lake in the city called Roosevelt, Arizona. That is in Tonto National Forest. So it's a beautiful scenic view.
Impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold.
Yeah, this is a dam right here. Beautiful. And this is the bridge.
In your arms of gold. In your arms of gold.
Okay guys, so we just had a lunch right here at this place, and we're now heading back up on the road. So let's do it. Okay guys, we're passing through this nice little town where we just had a lunch. Weather has started dropping now. We all heated up and geared up, so it's a good thing we did all this. It's 47 Fahrenheit right now.
It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see?
Look at guys, these are the different type of mountains. This is all the trees on the mountains. I hope we would see some fall colors, but I don't think so.
That I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt. The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it.
This all those canyons. But that's the lake. No, that's the shadow. Yeah, look at this. It's beautiful. Nice. We are about to entering into Sedona, Arizona, and this is the beautiful red Rocky Mountains that you see near Sedona, Arizona.
You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud.
That's why we choose this route, so we can see different parts of Arizona. It's rocky up there, right up here. But yeah, look at this nice, beautiful road, and especially we have a great weather right now. It's just beautiful. I think this is the view. That's what they come and see from the other point. Look right there. Okay guys, look at this view right here in front of us. It's a beautiful sunny day. Definitely when we left in the morning it was snowing all over the places, everywhere. Yeah, look at this view. But yeah, and the house is on the hill up on the mountains. Wow. Yeah, right there, the one. Careful. Oops, break it too hard. No, I was too close to you. But guys, this is the heart of Sedona. This is a main town, happening town here. Lots of places to eat. Wow, it's beautiful. Man, this town is just beautiful. This is Sedona downtown. It is so historic downtown. Okay folks, we are on our way to Valley, Arizona now. We took the Highway 89A north via Flagstaff through the scenic route 180.
Because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes.
So we are still going through this forest houses road, and it's just a beautiful, guys. I just cannot explain all the twisties and all that we went through. This is Highway 89A, right after you pass through Sedona downtown. It's what you want to take to go to Grand Canyon. It's just so scenic.
I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone. Oh, yeah. Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold,
The valley right there. Look at that.
arms of gold.
Oh my god. Look at this view. Alright guys, so we're gonna ride through another 45 miles on this forest road, so it's gonna be a dark. Alright guys, so we finally made it to the place here that we have been waiting to come. It's called Grand Canyon.